In today's video, we're going to talk about multiple answer questions for new quizzes. They're very similar to multiple choice, difference being that you can choose multiple answers. So let's take a look at how to make a multiple answer question. So again, you're going to click on that plus button here underneath our instructions, and we're going to navigate to the multiple answer. Once we click on that, we're going to get our question. So let's fill in a question really quick. I can do it with a snap. All right, so we've got our question now. So in this question, I'm asking them to select all of the people that are part of the Belcher family from the show Bob's Burgers. And you can tell which are the right answers by using the radio button next to it and making the check in there. That's going to tell the system what the correct answers are. Now, the students aren't going to see that, obviously. They're going to see just a checkbox. They can check which ones they think are the correct answer. So you can see I've left Teddy and Mr. Fischoeder here unchecked because those are not part of the Belcher family. Teddy is Bob's best friend, or, well, I should say, Teddy thinks he is Bob's best friend. I don't know if Bob feels that way. And then Mr. Fischoeder, who is their landlord. So, obviously, not part of their immediate family. Underneath, you'll see I have added some answers by using this plus answer option down here. That lets you put in as many possible answers as you'd like. And let's take a look at some of the settings for multiple answer questions. So we do have the on-screen calculator. Like always, this will give them an on-screen calculator to use if you'd like to give them that. You can also shuffle the choices, which just like with multiple choice, you're going to see this lock option where you can lock a possible question in place. Now, again, you can shuffle answers by question or doing the entire test in the settings section. You'll see more of that in the settings video when you get to that portion. Or if you've already watched it, you'll know where to do that. So again, those are some of the options there. Now, there is an option for here in grading where they can get partial credit, where they will, if they get maybe 3 of the 4 correct, 3 of the 5 correct, then they will get partial credit. Or we can set it to an exact match, which means if they don't select all 5 that are correct, they're not going to get any points for it. It's up to you how you want to do that. Partial credit will be, divided by 5 in this instance. So if they get 4 of the 5, they'll get 4/5 of the credit for this question. It's up to you how you want it to be. I like to do exact match, so I'm going to set it to an exact match. Now again, down at the bottom, we have our point value system. So we'll give it how many points we want to weight for this question on the quiz. And once we're done with that, we go ahead and click on the Done button. And we've now made our multiple answer question.